Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how Amazon wants even more of your data new profit analytics dashboard. Let's get into it.
Amazon has released a new feature under the Seller Economics section, the Profit Analytics Dashboard. At first glance, it offers some powerful reporting tools, but sellers should be aware of what data Amazon is asking for. The dashboard allows sellers to view detailed breakdowns of net proceeds before cost of goods and other non-Amazon expenses. For example, from $1.5 million in sales, it clearly shows fulfillment costs at around 4.6%, inbound shipping costs at 0.12%, seller fees at over 13%, storage fees at 0.2%, and advertising costs around 4%. Having all of this in one place is far more transparent than the old method of relying on payment reports. Where it gets more complex is with the additional financial inputs section. Here, sellers are invited to upload more data, such as cost of goods sold, per unit storage costs, and even off-Amazon advertising expenses.
This means inputting details about TikTok ads, Google campaigns, influencer marketing, or other external strategies. From a reporting perspective, this is convenient. Sellers can see total costs in one consolidated view and analyze profitability more accurately. But there's a catch. Uploading these numbers also means handing over highly sensitive business data to Amazon. Amazon's history with data usage shows that they consistently leverage aggregated seller data to inform broader decisions. Knowing exactly how much brands spend on manufacturing, freight, or external ads could potentially influence how Amazon positions itself against sellers, or how it shapes marketplace policies in the future. The dashboard itself does have some excellent features. Costs can be analyzed per unit, promotions and tax can be layered in, and ad spend can be examined with precision. It offers a level of granularity that most third-party tools can't match inside the Amazon ecosystem.
However, sellers need to weigh the benefits against the risks. While the dashboard is valuable for understanding fees that Amazon already controls, such as fulfillment, returns, and storage, inputting cost of goods or off-platform ad spend is a different level of disclosure. Many sellers may choose to use this tool partially, focusing on the insights Amazon provides directly while continuing to rely on third-party software for tracking sensitive costs. This way, they gain the advantage of Amazon's reporting without giving away their full financial playbook. In the end, the Profit Analytics Dashboard is both an opportunity and a risk. It offers sellers unprecedented visibility into fees and costs, but it also opens the door for Amazon to learn far more about each brand than ever before. Sellers must carefully decide how much they're comfortable sharing.
If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.